I want to introduce two ways to define function. First way is general common way. It is like def summation a b c equal a plus b return c, or simply return a plus b. Yes. Then we use this function like result equal summation 3, 4. Print result. Run. Yes, number 7. Okay. And second way is like this. It is a lambda way. Summation equal lambda a b a plus b. It is function. It is function. It is exactly same with this. Okay. And disable. 자, let's run. Okay, same result. Okay, there is two way. It's first common way and it's second way. You can use anything, but it is more useful when we recording in CMD. Okay, in CMD we can use Python, and in this case we cannot make function in this way. Test def summation a b return a plus b. Yes, it is. We cannot make function like this. In CMD we can make second way, summation equal lambda a b a plus b, and we can use this function summation. Okay, so I think it is more useful, but it is more convenient. Okay, if it is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.